In this experiment, we are going to turn a regular raw egg into a bouncy egg. You need a glass jar, a raw egg, and vinegar. Get a raw egg and carefully place it into a glass or jar. Fill the glass with vinegar until the egg is completely submerged. Leave the egg in the glass for 1 to 2 days. The vinegar will dissolve the eggshell. This happens because vinegar contains an acid called acetic acid, which reacts with the high calcium content of the eggshell. Remove the egg from the glass and rinse it under some water. While rinsing the egg, gently rub the outside of the egg, and the film will come off, leaving you with a translucent egg. You'll notice that it feels rubbery like a bouncy ball. Try bouncing the egg on a hard surface. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and leave a comment if you enjoyed this, and let me know if you tried this at home and how it went.